Hey, my name is David Gambill. I'm in Wilkes County Sheriff's Office. Currently a SRO at West Wilkes High School, serving with the county since 2001. I have worked in pretty much every division you can think of. I've worked at the jail, I've worked in the civil division, worked warrants, where we'd go out when people warrants pick them up. I worked the road for 4 years. I worked in the courthouse as a bailiff for several years, and I have been working in the high schools since 2017. Then building security, I make sure the building's locked down, make sure the building's secure so y'all can learn and not have to worry about anything else going on. I do a lot of outside security sweeps and checks to make sure everything's safe on the outside as well as the inside. And you wear a lot of different hats as a SRO. Some days you're kind of like a life coach, counselor, and then sometimes you're dealing with the incidents that's happened throughout the day, during the day or the week of school. Love being around kids. I have kids of my own. I have 3. I have a 12-year-old, 18-year-old, 19-year-old. I like trying to help the kids when they have problems. I like kind of makes me stay young and relevant, and I love seeing y'all celebrate, like when you have ball games, and I think it's important that an SRO be approachable, and I try to make sure that happens at the school I'm at, to make sure I'm approachable. So if you're having troubles, you feel comfortable coming to me to talk, and let me try to at least guide you in the right direction.